Hello.
Hi,
Good morning.
good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, my name is Simarjeet Kaur. What's your name?
Vidya,
Vidya. Okay, Vidya. In which language are you comfortable?
English,
Okay, where do you live?
Bihar.
Bihar?
That's Baka.
Okay,
In
in
Bihar
UP?
state.
In UP?
In Bihar.
Bihar? UP?
Bihar.
Okay. Where it is? In Kerala?
It it is India.
Okay, yeah, Kerala is also in India. Okay, that's fine. So, in which class are you studying?
3.
Grade 3?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can I talk with your parents?
Yes.
Okay. Please call them.
He's just coming in a minute.
Okay, that's fine. That's
In 2 minutes.
fine.
In
Okay,
2
that's good.
seconds.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello.
hello, good morning. How
Good
are
morning.
you?
I'm doing good, ma'am. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Okay,
So
so
actually,
sure, sure.
yeah,
Go ahead, ma'am. Sorry. Go ahead.
no worries. You were saying something.
So, Vidya is from Bihar. We people stay in Bihar. There's a place called Banka, and
Oh, okay,
Bihar
okay,
is in
Bangsa.
India. So we are the native
Yeah,
of,
that's no.
yeah. So we are the
Okay,
native of Banka, which is in Bihar.
okay.
And where are you located, ma'am?
I'm from Punjab.
Okay, you're from Punjab. That I can make out from your that surname, Kaur.
Samarjit Kaur,
Samarjit.
yeah.
Right, right, right. So nice to
Yeah,
meet
how did
you.
you? Yeah, same here. Nice to meet you too. So, how did you book the trial for Vidya? How did you book it?
I came to know from Facebook. I was just going through a page and I got to know this that there is an option to book a free demo for a child. If a parent is interested in mathematics, so that's
Yeah,
why I
yeah.
booked it
Oh,
for her.
how she is in mathematics?
She's I would say average,
Average in maths.
average
Okay,
in maths.
okay.
Yes.
Like in other subjects, she is going doing good.
She is doing good in other subjects too.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So are you looking for any such, platform where you can, make her like more convenient, more comfortable with math? Are you searching something like that?
What I do on a daily basis, I give her some questions to work on, like addition, subtraction. She
Got
can't
it.
do division as of now, but addition and
Yeah.
subtraction she does very well. And
Okay, that.
that's all she knows. So I want her to be a little bit ahead of that, and I want her to learn multiplication as well as division. And at the same time, she should be able to know how to do addition of like a number which is having
Multiple, yeah.
multiple digits. So that's what I'm looking forward to.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you are from which industry?
I'm from teaching industry, ma'am. I'm a teacher in a local school.
Okay,
Right.
here in Bangkok.
Yeah, in Banka, right, ma'am.
Okay, that's good.
Right.
That's good. Nice to meet you.
Thank
So
you.
actually, what happens, sir? How this platform Byju's? You have booked the class with Byju's or Whitehat?
From Baiju.
Byju's, right?
Right.
You are aware about the name Byju's.
Right.
Byju's is a big name in India,
Right,
right?
ma'am.
That
Right.
everybody knows well.
Yes.
So how these Byju's classes are different from the other classes or other platforms, if we said, right?
Yeah.
These classes are fun-filled classes of math.
Okay.
Their student will not see any type of question.
Okay.
They will see real time, real world problems. Real world problem in the sense, like anything with a story. We
Okay.
are giving them a problem like a real life problem,
Okay.
so that she can solve the math everywhere in the life, not if only in the books or notebooks.
Okay.
We
Okay.
make the student that confident
Hmm.
so that they can cover the whole math practically,
Practically, so that they can
not
understand the
the
utility.
reason behind doing the formula.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, that's how we are teaching math. So if you have time, I request you to have a look on this class, sit with her, right? So you will get to know how we are teaching, the way we are teaching, the curriculum we are adopting, right, to
Sure,
serve the
sure.
students. That you will get. Then you will get at the end of the class,
Okay, sure.
right? So then you can, further decide whether to join or not for
Okay.
next class,
Okay, if
right?
that's the approach with which you are teaching maths, then I think that is the best approach because usually what
Mm-hmm.
happens in the classes, teachers just write something like a question
Question and
and
answer.
question
A
answers
student
and
has to learn the formula and put the
yeah,
values
right.
inside the formula. Done.
So first they learn the
Starting.
formula and then they work on the question and they
No.
make a note of
In this,
everything.
yeah. In this, they will learn the practical example. We will give in each question practical example.
So
Then student without a formula will solve the question
right, so
because
they
practically they know.
right, so there wouldn't be a formula anymore. They will understand why the formula has been made and how
They yes.
how it has been made. So
Mm.
they can make the formula, right?
Mm.
After
Mm-hmm.
working on few questions, they don't have to remember it. If someone asks them the formula, they can write it, right?
Yes.
But they don't have to
That's
mug up the formula, right?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now I understood. It is a very good approach, ma'am. I think.
Yeah, that's
So
what we are following. So
yeah.
hope you like the class. So I
Yes,
will
I
start
did.
the class
I
now.
did, ma'am.
Thank
Please,
you.
let's go ahead with the class, ma'am. I'll be sitting with Vidya. I'll sit
Okay,
next to her.
okay.
If there'll be any problem, like anything which she's not able to understand, then I'll just jump into it and we'll try
Yeah.
to do the
Okay.
best. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Vidya. So let's start the class now. Right. What you have to do, we have to do a activity today. That is called paper activity. Okay. For paper
Okay.
activity, there are two things required. One is the paper, and other is the pencil or pen. You
Okay.
have to take two things. Okay.
Okay.
Pen or pencil and one paper. You have to take two things. Yes. Take a paper out of the notebook. Take a paper out of the notebook. We are not going to write anything. This class is not like that where you have to write each and everything. No. We are doing some practical things.
You can just
Yes.
write it
So
this way.
most of the student does what? They try to write something because in the schools or everywhere in the tuition, teacher asks to have a notebook and pen for writing each and everything. But in this class, we are asking you a paper to do the activity. Okay, not writing. No, no, we are not doing any writing thing over here. Right? I'll tell you about the pen. You just put the pen near to you. Okay?
Okay.
I can't hear you. Hello?
Say
Hi.
yes, ma'am. Say hi. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now, what you have to do, Vidya, you have to take a piece of paper like this in a landscape mode. You have to take the paper in a landscape mode.
Landscape mode is like this.
Okay.
Yeah, show it to me.
Show it to me.
Do it like I am doing it.
Picture. Okay. Show it to her that this is the
Yes.
landscape.
Now hold it from the center.
She's asking you to hold it from the center like this. Okay. Just do it like this. Okay. Just show it to her while you're doing it. Okay. Just okay. Do it. Do it. And show it to her how you're doing it.
Very good.
To the teacher.
Now open it
Now open it. Open it the way she is opening.
and tell me how many parts of this paper has?
Two parts.
Two parts.
Two. What you have to do, you have to color on the one side, one part, like I am doing.
Like
It's called scribbling. You have to do the
Scribbling.
freehand, yeah, scribble.
you show it to her how you have done it. You show it to her the scribbling part of it.
Good job. Can you tell me, Vidya, how many parts you have shaded?
How many parts you have shaded?
One.
One out of
Two.
very good. That's called what? One out of two. Right? When we say something like one out of two, right?
Yes.
Let's suppose your father is having 5 chocolates. He gave you 2 chocolates, right?
Yes.
So we will find what? So Vidya is having 2 out of 5. Total was 5 chocolates, but Vidya is having 2.
Right.
Total was 2 parts, but having one shaded. That's called what in math? Fraction.
Subtraction.
Fraction, not subtraction, fraction. F. Fraction.
Subtraction.
Fraction. Yes. 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 Good. So today we are going to learn about the fraction topic. Okay. Fraction is what? When we describe something in a relationship between part and whole.
Right.
When we say something in a relationship between part and whole. Part is what? One part you colored. Total was 2. So whole matlab total is 2. You colored 1.
Yes.
So I am saying 1/2. That is called fraction. That is called half also. Like you can say I have shaded half paper.
Yes.
Yes, good. Now I will be showing you. You know one thing, Vidya. Let's suppose you have a test in your school or your father is taking a test, right? They gave 10 marks total, okay, but Vidya got only 8 marks out of 10.
Yes.
Vidya got 8 marks, but total marks that Vidya can take was 10. How your father or teacher will give you the marks? You know, at the top on the first page, they always write the marks 8 out of 10. Can you write on your notebook and show me how to write 8 out of 10? If you get 8 marks out of 10 marks. आपके पापा को हेल्प नहीं करनी है. You don't have to help her, sir.
No, no, I
Okay?
won't help her. I won't help her.
Yeah.
She'll do it
So
herself.
how you will write 8 out of 10? If you have 10 marks total and Vidya is having 8 marks. 8 out of 10.
8. Then.
Done?
No.
8 out of 10. Or you can say 8 by 10. Okay, show me. Left hand side. Do it इधर करो. Left. इधर इधर. 8 out of 10 भी तो लिखना आपको. 10 नहीं लिखा आपने उसके नीचे 10 लिख दो बस. Done. You have to write 10 down the line. You made a line. Down the line you write 10 and above the line you write 8. Simple. So 8 out of 10. Excellent work. Very good. This is called fraction. This is how we write the fraction, okay?
Okay.
So this is what? It is a number that defines the relation between part and the whole. Relation between, write down the relation between part and whole. I will write on the whiteboard. First of all, click on playground. Then I will tell you. On the screen, no. On the screen, see, there is written playground. Click on that. Playground. Click on playground and tell me what you are able to see on the playground.
It's loading.
Okay.
Shall we go to the whiteboard?
Yes, I'm telling you. Can you see? Yeah. So this is the whiteboard. Here I'm writing fraction. Can you see it? Can you see this, Vidya?
Yes.
Okay. It's a number that defines the relation between part and whole. A relation between part and whole, that is called fraction. Write this line, relation between part and whole. Now you understood about the concept fraction, right?
Yes.
We had defined the relation between part and the whole. How to write? Like 1 upon 2. This is called 1 upon 2. Or you can say 1 out of 2. Anything you can say. Upon 2 or out of 2. Okay?
Done.
1 upon 2 or 1 out of 2 you have written? Okay, very good. Now let's talk about the story. Today we have a story, Vidya. Okay? Do you like the story?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can you observe what is written on the screen?
Rice.
What is written on the screen? There is written race for something like that.
Race for
Survival.
survival.
It's called race for survival. So there is going to be a race between two teams. One team is spider's team and another team is ant's team. Okay? So there is going to be a race between ants and the spiders. Okay, Vidya?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
So two teams are there, spiders and ants. Which one do you like? You like ants or you like spiders?
Ants.
Why?
Ants.
Why? Why you like ants?
Because they are very small.
Because they are very small, tiny, right?
Yes.
You want to go with ants?
Yes.
Okay, good. And with the spiders, one day what happened? My team was harming your team. My team was, making the houses of ants. They are just juggling them. They are just, making them harm.
Yes.
They destroy the houses of ants. Who? Spiders. Then the both teams challenge each other. Spiders challenge the ants and ants challenge the spiders. What? They said, if you win the race, let's have a race today. If ants win the race, Vidya, the spiders will leave their houses. That's what the challenge from the spiders.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Then ants give the challenge to spiders. Spiders, if you win the race, we will leave our house forever. We have to see who will win the race, Vidya. Okay? You are with ants team, I am with spiders team. Click on the next button. Begin.
Oh.
Let's begin with it.
Okay.
Click on the begin button. Yes. What happened? Are you feeling nervous? Vidya?
No.
Are you feeling nervous?
I'm good.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. I can't hear you. Hello?
Yes, I'm fine.
She's good, ma'am. She's not feeling nervous. Okay. She's good, ma'am. She's not nervous at all. Hello. Can you hear us, ma'am? Hello? Hello? Oh. confident. Just tell her that I'm fine. There's nothing like that. I'm cool. Just tell her. Just going to put it there in maybe in a second. You don't want to talk. Then why are we having the classes? Why are we having this class if you don't want to talk to her? Tell me. She asked me to sit with you. That's why I'm sitting with you. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been sitting with you. You say something. Are you dumb or what? And I'm talking to you. You tell me. You don't say anything to her. Otherwise, all the time you have questions. You keep on asking things. But when the teacher comes in front of you, you're just like dumb. What is this? Tell me.
I don't want to have this class, ma'am.
Why? Come on. You can't even tell to your papa. Papa is your best friend, right? Then why don't you tell the papa? Why don't you tell your papa? What's the problem? Tell me. You don't want to have it. Okay. No. No class. No class. No class. I love you. Shall we cancel it?